Host, welcome to today's video, where we reveal the secrets to making money in 2024. If you're ready to unlock your financial potential, then stay tuned. Host, in 2024, the world will be buzzing with new opportunities. One of the ways to make money is by investing in artificial intelligence and robotics. These industries are set to skyrocket, so keep an eye out for companies leading the way. Host, another promising avenue is cryptocurrency. With the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, investing wisely could yield huge returns. But remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Host, as technology continues to advance, so does the demand for skilled individuals. If you're willing to learn, consider acquiring knowledge in fields like augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain. These industries will be in high demand, and your skills can open doors to exciting opportunities. Host, the gig economy has also taken off in recent years, and it's only going to grow bigger in 2024. Get ready to join the ranks of freelancers and remote workers, offering your services in various fields. From content creation, graphic design, to marketing, the possibilities are endless. Host, are you passionate about helping others? Well, the health and wellness industry is projected to boom in 2024. Whether it's personal trainers, nutritionists, or mindfulness coaches, there will be a growing demand for professionals in this sector. Combine your expertise with technology to create innovative solutions. Host, lastly, keep an eye on the renewable energy sector. As climate change becomes an urgent concern, clean energy solutions are becoming a top priority. Investing in solar, wind, or hydro energy can not only make you money but also help save the planet. Host, there you have it, the secrets to making money in 2024. Remember, success requires hard work, dedication, and adaptability. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Together, let's thrive in the future.